Hi, Dylan Riley here with Blackmoon. Today I'm going to provide a walkthrough of the Blackmoon investment interface to give you a sense for the platform's functionality and highlight some key areas where our solution can automate and improve the funding process for lending companies and investors alike. This is the dashboard that investors see upon logging into the interface. For the purposes of demonstration, we have created originators and products and fixed the investor to have begun investing in 2015. The dashboard provides a quick snapshot of the investor's portfolio with the option to select values at a given date and to see how the portfolio has changed over a certain period. There are some high-level charts and tables here showing investment activity, portfolio value over time, and current loan statuses, though we'll be able to dive deeper into this data in the Investments Portfolio tab. I'll shift to that tab now. In the Portfolio tab, we can see that our demo investor has two products with two different originators. The first is a lender in Finland with a fixed return deal type in which the investor provides any upside in returns to the originator, and the originator needs to sustain a 15% return on vintages, protecting the investor from downside. This deal is effected through put and call options around the agreed upon return and goes to show how Blackmoon enables complete flexibility for originators and investors to structure deals and purchase arrangements as they see fit. At any time, the investor can increase or decrease his allocation to a certain product in 2 steps, stop investing in the product altogether with this button, or archive the product. Let's have a look at some of the analytics functionality in the portfolio screen. You can change the period being displayed and show data for one particular product or one particular originator. But to show the robustness of the platform, let's keep all the data for now. We have a net annualized return chart to show performance at a glance. This is my favorite chart because the chart itself shows how the Blackmoon engine works. Here, we see total loan portfolio value, allocated cash and unallocated cash, of which there is none for this demo. But if we group the chart by product, we can really visualize how the Blackmoon engine is working under the hood. We see a cash injection of about $2.3 million in 2015, and as the originator issued loans, these loans are assigned to the investor over the period. The investor makes another deposit, and the loans continue to be assigned again. We can see the same occurrence with the introduction of a new product towards the end of 2015. This chart is a powerful image of how an investor simply deposits cash, allocates to a given product, and waits, and the originators simply continue to originate loans, which are automatically and immediately assigned to the investor. Pretty neat. We can see the purchased volume over time and group by some factors of the underlying data. And of course, we have portfolio statuses charts, cash-on-cash returns by vintages, and charge-off curves. Since deals and products from different originators can be structured differently, we're able to show expected performance given different expectations based on underlying data at the point of origination. Here, we see a fixed return product that doesn't change with default, but you can get a sense for how this analysis can be applied to originators and deals of any type. We can see the distributions of owned loans and statistics to see what the purchasing patterns have yielded for underlying assets. And we can see weighted averages to uncover correlations and patterns. For example, we can see the average origination fee grouped by initial principal. Moving to the Legal tab, We have a web-based repository of deal-centric framework agreements, such as purchase and servicing agreements, available for easy access. In the Annexes tab, Blackmoon enables significant deal automation through the automatic generation of annexes to reflect loans purchased over a period for quick, easy execution. The Invested Loans tab shows all the loans acquired by our demo investor. We can drill down to find loans of a certain type or with certain parameters, and we can easily export the information for internal analysis and presentation. The Activities tab shows all critical activities that our demo investor has taken at a portfolio, loan, or document level. The Balances tab enables us to compare how key line items have changed across the portfolio at given points in time. We can quickly add dates, to compare for quick back-of-the-envelope answers to balance-related questions. And again, we can alter the data presentation to reflect one or many originators and products. The Accounts tab enables us to make deposits or withdrawals in our accounts with originators. For those investors who have internal data science teams or a preference for executing internal analysis, we make available for download the data that is underlying every screen in Blackmoon, ready to import into data analysis programs such as Tableau. Now I'd like to show you how easy it can be to add a new originator and product to your portfolio. All access to originator data is automated and permission-based. Here we see that we have access to two originators' data, demo originators number 1 and number 3. If we look at the second demo lender, we can read a high-level description of the originator and click Request Access to view the NDA. We can then sign automatically by using our credentials. Once we have executed the NDA, the originator can approve the request, and now the investor is able to access more detailed data. We can see high-level financial information on the originator, access presentations and financials, and view portfolio-level data to inform our investment decision. The investor can then request deal documentation through the platform, and I'll just quickly approve that request. And now we are ready to immediately allocate cash and start investing in the product. Here I'm just going to increase my allocation to $100,000. And we're done with adding the new product to the portfolio. As the originator goes about its normal course of business issuing loans, these loans will be automatically assigned to the investor, and supporting deal documentation will automatically be generated. With Blackmoon, originators grant loans investors focus on performance, and Blackmoon does the rest. Thanks for taking the time to walk through the Blackmoon platform with me today. If you are an originator who would like to improve and automate your funding strategy, or an investor looking for new, harder to access investment opportunities and a streamlined investment process, you can visit our website at www.blackmoonfg.com or shoot us an email at info@blackmoonfg.com. Thanks again.